what to do when this happens. There is a birch lying to another birch, and again we are moving the crown of the stem, and instead of pushing we are going to pull it down, and we can use our felling tongs to get the rope to a little bit higher, or I can use my throw line. If you don't have felling tongs, you can take maybe any weight and throw a little bit smaller rope to get the working rope or pulling rope to higher. And I have this telescope pole, so today I'm going to use the felling tongs. But let's do it. I'm making a knot called bowline. And my felling tongs, we attach them to the telescope pole and lift them. And then we need just some power to pull it down. Let's see if the manpower is in. Here up. Here up. Yep. 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 Yeah.